TYPHON TERROR X2 Mini Excavator 2.7-ton trench digger with boom swing, retractable tracks, heater air-conditioned cabin, bucket mini excavator machine for garden, farms, parks, roads, ideal for digging, drilling, bulldozing. The TYPHON TERROR X2 is a 2.7-ton mini excavator with a boom swing, retractable tracks and a minimum ground clearance of 200 mm that makes the excavator super reliable and easy to maneuver in all conditions. Small but powerful 18.4 kg Perkins 403 J11 engine. EPA emissions Tier 4. Final 3 inline cylinder 4-stroke cycle indirect injection engine with maximum torque of 66.4 Nm at 2100 RPM. Maximum agility and boom deflection is 45 degrees to the left and 55 degrees to the right. Maximum digging depth of 2.5 meter, and maximum digging distance of 40 mm. With an air conditioner and a built-in heater in the cabin, the TYPHON TERROR X2 shelters one from the harsh elements of weather. Tough and agile, retractable tracks for added flexibility, digging, grabbing, bulldozing parks, gardens, farms, or public spaces.